Hello. Today, we're going to have a look at how and when to use the collisions option. The collisions option appears in the furnishings and materials steps. It is activated by default. It allows to position furniture or shapes with the assurance that they do not fit into a wall. To the furnishing step, it will be easier to arrange your interior design by unchecking the collisions option. For example, to change the direction of a bed. If the option is checked, the bed is going to come up against a wall or another furnishing. By unchecking collision, the bed pass through walls. You can then add it correctly. The collision option will be useful to add coins or railings, but also to add a furnishing above or under another one. In the materials step, it will help to use shapes without taking walls or other shapes into account if it is necessary. That's it. Now, it's your turn. You can contact us if you have any question. The support team is always there to answer you.